Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use Weld Bead in Weldment feature. We will make weld design in this cassette area. Go to this frame. Zoom in to this cassette. Active Weld Bead feature. We use weld geometry. Click this face and this face. See, weld design make it. Click new weld pad. Do the same as before. See? Click new weld pad again and do it again. Do this until the cassette is welded. Okay. See, weld design not make it, but don't be confused. Just active this eye icon and active weld bend icon. See, the weld design make it. Now go to this weld bend feature. You can define the weld symbol like this. Okay. Now let's make weld design in this cassette. Next, we choose weld pad. Just click edge, which will be the weld design, like this. Now you know the way to make the weld bead in Weldment feature. Let's try in another spot, like this. See? That is a quick tips. See ya!